What you doing?
Oh, hey. Just working on that 7-second tune-up.
We should hear engines running in the station every once in a while. That's what it means. So if we don't hear
Don't show our secrets.
You can't see a thing.
You get the red lights, you don't hear it, or whatever. Everybody's away. If you're not watching this,
Okay, that's fine. So yeah, he run really good last night. He done a huge wheelie. We broke some stuff. But he went really fast, showed a lot of potential. And I had it turned down quite a bit with the new turbos because we didn't know what it was going to do. So now that we know what it's going to do, I'm going to turn it up. And yeah, I expect this to be a very, very low 800 or maybe a 799 pass if it doesn't wheelie again.
Let's go for 799 pass.
Yeah, we're going to go for 799. Steven, what in the world are you welding on?
Oh, I'm welding on the wax worm.
The wax worm?
Yeah.
I thought he was like your mortal enemy.
No, we're good buddies.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Especially right now.
When you're helping him out?
Yeah.
Okay.
People think that we're not friends on Facebook because I'm the only one that'll talk trash back to him, but we're actually friends.
Oh, okay. All right. So what are you doing though?
We're welding these really fancy slip joints up so that they won't slip no more. We're gonna make non-slip joints out of slip joints.
Okay.
Sometimes when you go too fancy, it ain't good.
So what are you saying?
This is too fancy. We don't need them big slip joints.
LT junk don't need slip joints?
No, he just needs the normal wiggly job.
But yeah, like you want to keep some iron, fresh on there.
Over the end of the office, you were expecting a package today to go to a package at the office. And L, you built on a runner out of Philly. Right side with a right turn in, 92, 95, how to set up easy windshield at Bonfire County. It's marked down there by the scale, he did 92 to 90.
Push! Yeah. Y'all are good reverses.
For sure.
Okay.
That was me.
Good job.
Yep, you're welcome.
show off for your World Cup final.
All right, y'all. It is race day. We're qualified 13th, and it's always something.
Oh, hey. Good morning.
Always something.
No problems at all.
Fixed. I'm welding it better than I welded Johnson's. I picked that tungsten end it's supposed to have in it instead of that aluminum tungsten I had in Johnson's. Yeah, we was all sitting around eating Little Debbie's this morning. Come out here thinking we was going to go race it for a little while, and Chris finds a crack, so.
So we're repairing the crack.
Yeah.
No big deal. This is how we roll, right?
Yeah.
In the meantime, Dad still eating peanut. He's not as concerned.
What are you doing?
Oh, we got this awesome sticker.
Oh, gosh.
We don't talk like that.
I'm going to have to
And
blur
we
that out.
especially don't talk like that on Lord's Day.
No, today's Sunday and they're using language like that? What are you doing, though?
I mean, I appreciate it and everything. I know I'm cool and stuff, but we don't talk like that. That ain't nice.
So you're just certified bad?
I'm a bad butt.
Oh, okay.
Certified bad butt.
Okay. Well, go knock them dead. Oh, Cracker Barrel Chevrolet.
Oh, Cracker Barrel. We're going to get our Cracker Barrel Chevrolet in a winter circle today.
Yeah.
Up here at World Cup.
Yeah. All right.
Dude.
What do you think? I think you got to buy this first round.
I never have good luck. We don't believe in luck. But if we did, I never have any of it. I'm talking zero. If there's a raffle to be won, Chris always wins. I never win raffles.
Well, you just won your first
We
raffle.
just got to buy in World Cup.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's crazy.
Stick shift racing isn't always about who's the fastest. It's just who can make it to the race.
We can survive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That last round of qualifying, there were 4 cars that broke. 4 cars in the last round of qualifying.
It's hard.
It is. All right, we'll do good.
Okay.
But now the two don't hey, you're on a 5 run. So I'm imagining you're probably really going to build everything absolutely perfect.
Everybody's working on cars, so you got me for an update. We had the bye for the first round, which was super exciting, but with stick shift racing, something is bound to break, I should say, but everybody don't feel as bad because everybody is working on their stuff too. So Chris and Steven are trying to figure out what's going on with his. Grub worm is up. They've got issues with theirs. I don't know. Joel has issues. But these two guys just ran a 6-second pass. Again, I think Jonathan is a 6.9 and Joel over there with a 6.8. So Steven just ran through the gears. He let off in 3rd gear. We had a bye run, so we didn't want to make a full pass, but if I understand correctly, I think it is missing, so that's currently the situation we're trying to figure out.
footprint changes and all that good stuff. Got your twin turbo. The only man I know that can get a perfect light on a dog cart going backwards.
All right, so just a short recap on our World Cup finals.
I swear he's actually done
It
it
did
multiple
not
times.
end the way that we wanted it to. Unfortunately, Steven had a, well, fortunately, he had a bye run in the first round of the race, and when he went to shift to third gear, it dropped a valve,
All right.
broke a rocker arm.
You guys are, you're going
Yeah,
on
it's
the
broke.
whistle, all right? Go on the whistle.
The valve is crooked, pushed up in the head, so it's probably hurt the piston.
Going on the whistle, all right? Make it fair.
Yeah, this is stick shift drag racing.
On your mark.
There were 25 cars that entered this race. There were only 10 cars that made it to the first round of the race. And then after the first round, there were
All right, stage them up, stage them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars
Ready? On your mark.
is all that made it to the second round, because Steven didn't make it to the second round. He broke after the first round. Joel Steele broke or bent a rod in the first round.
Fastest guy here.
All right.
Fastest car on the property, fastest stick car on the
On the
property.
whistle, all right?
Yeah, so we didn't get a 7 out of Steven's car. We think it was fully capable of doing it.
Oh yeah.
The 60 foot was there, the 330 was there,
You good? You good?
but it's stick shift racing, and we break a lot of parts.
Yes, we do.
Wait
So
a
we're
minute.
gonna load this stuff up and head back to North Carolina.
The previous
Cry a little
play
bit.
is
Yeah,
under
we'll cry a
review.
little bit, and we'll.
10 out of 10 would not recommend
See,
those
again,
rocker arms.
this is what
What kind of rocker
happens
arms are they?
when
Who
you
knows?
don't
I don't know what broke.
put
Nobody knows
heat
what
in
broke
the
yet.
mirror.
We'll give you an update on what all is broke.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is all that's broke. You know what I have in my hand
Oh,
here.
man.
We'll
So we got the lovely ladies
Yeah.
of the WCF
We'll see y'all
Girls
later.
here.